is continuing this morning. Next Thursday is Give STL Day, an opportunity to support the incredible organizations in St. Louis who are making a difference every day. And since we are the source of St. Louis's good news, it only makes sense that we highlight just a few of the many organizations that you can choose to give to.
That's absolutely right, Mary. This nonprofit specializes in providing the best care to injured, sick, and apprehended wild birds so that they may return to their natural habitat. Here's a look at Wild Bird Rehabilitation Center.
It's a song like none other. The song of birds communicating, most to their counterparts in the wild, and some, in this case, a chirp of thanks to those helping them in captivity.
Loves water. All the dogs love the water.
Celebrating 30 years last year, Wild Bird Rehabilitation in Overland, Missouri has stood as a hospital for native songbirds.
We are the only organization in the state that actually works with our native songbirds.
That involves rehabilitation and release.
On average, we treat about 2,000 birds throughout the course of the year.
Birds generally treated here
are cardinals, robins, mourning doves, and hummingbirds.
And usually they're dropped off by the community.
Because they found the babies either through a storm, the nest has fallen, the parents are no longer available.
Every 10 to 15 minutes, staff and volunteers are feeding each bird, taking care of injuries, and simply being a helping hand. An experience like any other.
It's crazy. You see birds out there and they're like fly away instantly, and these are just like, oh, well.
I know. I mean, you won't get this experience anywhere else, which, you know, frankly, is one of the reasons people like to volunteer here, because you get to experience the birds up close and personal.
While it's a sense of getting personal, there are also personal items needed too, like seeds, towels, and other paper products. Year-round contributions are made, but May 9th marks the annual Give STL Day, a day in which organizations like Wild Bird Rehabilitation benefit tremendously.
You know, we've been very fortunate that we've raised between $10,000 and $15,000 from this each year, and since we are completely funded through contributions, we receive no other federal, state, or local support, only grants and private contributions. This is a big part that helps our needs.
Which in turn helps that beautiful song play on.
Wild Bird Rehabilitation is celebrating 30 years. You can find all the information that you need right there on your screen.